Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the wake word on your Suzuki. So I'm in a Suzuki Vitara. Now what are we going to do here is we're going to go over into settings. In the settings, we want to go to system, and here we want to go to voice recognition, and here we can disable the wake word. Now we can enable it. And that's how we can basically do it. So that way you enable the wake word for your voice recognition. You don't have to press the key on your steering wheel. And as you guys can see, you can, for example, turn on the AC. And now, as you guys can see, it glitched out because I was still talking. But you guys can use the wake word now. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.